In this video, you'll learn how to build the back end of an e-learning platform using Claude Code. This guide explains the setup process, including project initialization, creating a backend script, and utilizing JSON for data storage without the need for a database. Begin by setting up your project directory. Open your command line interface and type megear e-learning backend to create a new folder for your project. Next, navigate into this directory by entering backend. This is where all your backend files will reside. For data storage, create 3 JSON files to hold your courses, students, and progress data. Use the command outfilecourses.json quote to create the courses file. Repeat this process for students and progress by entering outfilestudents.json quote, outfileprogress.json quote, respectively. This will ensure that you have empty JSON files ready for your backend operations. Next, you will create the backend command line interface script. Type melearning.psa1 quote to create a new PowerShell script file named elearning.psa1. Then open this file in Notepad by entering notepad elearning.pas1. This is where you will paste the provided Claude-powered CLI code. Once Notepad is open, copy and paste the script, which includes parameters for action, name, and course. This script is fundamental as it loads existing data from your JSON files and defines actions such as adding courses, adding students, enrolling students, generating content, and viewing progress. Ensure that you save your changes before closing Notepad. Now that your script is ready, you can use it to manage your e-learning platform, for example, to add a new course type, the elearning.ps1-action, add course-name, Python 101 in your command line. This command will add the course to your courses.json file, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the course has been added. To add a student, use the command ps1-action, add student-name Alice. This will create an entry for Alice in your students.json file. Similarly, you can enroll Alice in the Python course by typing elearning.ps1-action, enroll-name, Alice-course Python 101. The script will update the students.json file to reflect this enrollment. If you want to generate course content, you can do that by running .pa1-action, generate content-name, Python 101. The Claude AI will automatically create lesson titles and descriptions, which will be saved in your courses.json file. Lastly, to view the progress of students, enter weirman.ps1-action view progress. This will display a list of students along with their enrolled courses and completion status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.